Gâteau la crème caramel. For the cake, we will take 3 eggs and half a cup of sugar in a clean and dry bowl and beat it till it is fluffy and light in color with an electric beater on high speed. Now to this we will add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Beat this nicely too. Now we will add half a cup of self-rising maida and mix this nicely till it is a consistent mixture. Make sure not to overbeat it, otherwise the cake will not rise properly. When the batter is ready, take a clean dry glass bowl and grease it with butter or vegetable oil and pour the batter into it. Tap this a bit and this will go in a preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. As the cake is baking, we can make the other two elements of our dish. For the custard, you have to make half a liter of custard of setting consistency or molded pudding as is written on many custard powder packets. And make sure that while you have kept your custard to cool, stir it at regular intervals because we don't want it to set yet. For the caramel sauce, here I have taken 3/4 cup of granulated sugar in a non-stick pan, and in this I am going to add a tablespoon of water and melt this on high flame till it is light golden in color. Now we lower the flame and to this we will add a tablespoon of salted butter and mix it till it nicely melts. Now after all the butter has melted and is mixed nicely with the sugar, we will add 1/4 cup of fresh cream and mix it nicely. After the cream has nicely mixed into the sauce, we will switch off the gas, keep stirring till it becomes a nice consistent mixture and then keep it aside to cool. Now our cake is been in the oven 40 minutes and it's ready. Now we'll keep this out to cool for at least an hour. Now all the elements of my dessert are cooled and I've cut my cake into half. So now first we'll take the same bowl in which we had baked our cake and then we'll add a thin layer of the caramel sauce. Now over this we'll add half of our custard. Now we'll take the upper half of our cake, smear a bit of the caramel sauce on it. And put this upside down over the custard we just put into the bowl. And now we'll repeat this process with the other half of our custard and cake. After assembling the pudding, keep it in the fridge overnight. Or if you're in a hurry, keep it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours to set. Now our dessert is ready. So we'll take a plate slightly bigger than the bowl in which we have set it. We'll flip the plate over the bowl and flip the bowl carefully and place it on the table. Lift the bowl and voila! Here you have it. Your Gâteau la crème caramel is ready. Thank you.